Alright, this video is going to help you guys as we start logging our activity in the PE log. This is the rubric for the PE log, which will be coming due at the end of each month. So the week of October 3rd through the 9th will be the first week that you guys will start logging your activity. Last week you should have made a copy, an electronic copy of the PE log, and again this week we are going to start using the PE log. Each week that you log activity, you will receive 1 point. The summary at the end of each month is worth 2 points, and your 2 personal pictures are worth 2 points apiece, so that's 4 points in total, for a total of 10 possible points on your PE log. Let's look at a little bit more. Actually, let's talk about a couple housekeeping items. Again, students need to start logging their activity the week of October 3rd through the 9th. Yes, I allow you to log activity on the weekends. I know a lot of people that are in competitive sports play games on the weekends. I know other people that maybe aren't in competitive sports, but they might go on hikes or do some family activities on the weekends. So you can include your the Saturday and Sunday as part of your school week. The requirement for full credit is that students need to log at least 150 minutes of weekly activity, weekly physical activity. Just a friendly reminder that the activity portion or activity is actually worth 20% of your overall student grade, so keep that in mind. So if you don't do the PE log, you don't do the activity and put it on the PE log, then your grade will go down quite a bit. And then lastly, students who cheat on this assignment are only cheating themselves. Alright, so let's not cheat. It's only 150 minutes. It's 2.5 hours of activity. The types of activities are endless. I'm not going to tell you that you have to run, 10 miles a week or play football or do whatever you want to do, then you can do, and you can get your 150 minutes in. So again, don't cheat, because it's just cheating yourselves. And it might not catch up to you tomorrow. It might not catch up to you next week or in a month or even a year, but it's sometime down the road. If you're not physically active, then you're hurting yourselves. And as we learned in class, your biggest asset is yourself. So enough on that. This is an example. I did I did my workouts during September for you guys. You can see that I logged anytime I did something. I put it down and said how many minutes. A 3-mile run with some kettlebell workout, 60 minutes, so on and so forth. And then at the end of each week, I added up the minutes for you guys. When I made this example for you, it hadn't the week of the 26th through the 2nd hadn't been here, so I left it kind of blank. You don't want to don't log your activity until we actually have that day. All right. So again, each week you'll get a point, and then you'll get 2 points for a summary. So I just said, I do a majority of my workouts outside or in my garage, and I was a little bit lazy, to be honest, in September. I'm going to try to pick up my workouts in October, but the summary is worth 2 points. And then I've got 2 personal pictures here. That's me with my kettlebells outside when I'm working out, and then sometimes, like I said, I do my workouts in the garage, and there's my weights in the garage. All right. So again, you guys will start the week of October 3rd through the 9th. The PE log will not come due until the end of the month, though, so you don't have to worry about turning it into me until the end of the month. And then lastly, let's kind of look at this rubric again. Again, you get 1 point for each week that you've got the requirement of at least 150 minutes. You get 2 points for the summary. You can get a possible 4 points for your pictures, right? Because they're each worth 2 points. So there you go. That's how you get your total of 10 points on the PE log. And again, don't worry about the points as much as that this assignment goes into the activity portion of your grade book that I can't emphasize enough is worth 20% of your grade. If you don't do the PE log, you will not end up class with an A, and you would struggle to get a B. So let's make sure that we're putting a time and effort that's needed into this assignment. As always, if you have any questions, either see me in class or you can email me. Have a great day.